Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping in on Rollercoin. We're going to be checking out how our account is doing. We're also going to be looking at the new limited miners that Rollercoin have just released. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are here in my Rollercoin account, and it has been about a week or just over a week since the last time we did one of these videos. So in the last video, we were at 49.613 petahashes. You can now see we're at 52.408 petahashes. We also had, we were at 128.5. You can now see we're at 132.5 on our power bonuses. So there, some very nice, excuse me, some very nice increases to our account. And also in the last video, we were earning, I think it was about 55 to 60 sats per block. We're now earning over 70 sats per block due to that increase to our account. Now, this update actually came to me pretty late. I was on Discord, and their announcement, Rollercoin's announcement, did not actually get posted on Discord until 10:20 yesterday. And this was meant to be an update for St. Patrick's Day. And the update on Discord anyway wasn't posted until 20 past 10. So I don't know if the guys at Rollercoin had been out down in the Guinness and then suddenly realized, oh, we're meant to be doing an update today, guys. We got to get it out, in rush time from the pub, and threw that update out there. I don't know why it came so late. I'm sure maybe on other platforms it might have got posted earlier, but on Discord, which is usually the first place that Rollercoin will post, it wasn't on there until 20 past 10. So I was a bit late getting onto the site and seeing what was going on. But just as a note as well, talking about Discord, I am trying to put a Discord server together for our community. Now, this is pretty much going to be just a collection of the feeds from the different programs we're using. So basically, it's going to be like a one-stop shop for all your updates. So if you're into Townstar, you can go onto our Discord and you can see all the announcements and server updates for Townstar. You can do the same for Rollercoin. You can get the game updates and the server updates. There's also going to be a general chat on each category. But what I'm trying to do is get all those updates in one place for all of the programs that we use. So you can just go to our Discord, and no matter what program you are using, those updates are hopefully going to be there. I've got Townstar sorted and I've got Rollercoin sorted at the moment. I'm just trying to get those other things done. But I will post the link to the Discord channel in the description. So if you're interested, you can go into the description, come along to our Discord channel, chat with like-minded community people that are interested in the same programs that you are using, exchange hints, tips, help each other out. That's the whole point of it. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. So like I say, if you are interested, come along. It will be absolutely great to see you there. Okay, so on with the video. So like I say, because this has all happened a bit late in the day, and this is the kind of quickest I could get the update out to you. If we go in here This is for the limited St. Patrick's Day event miner. Now that miner is going to give you, and this is a bit of a, it says 530 gigahashes there. But if we go back into here and we click on this and then we go to info, can we see it here? It also says 530 gigahashes, right? So you've got two places there. It says 530 gigahashes. If we go into collections, click on collections, go to basic, it says 530 terahashes. So I think it gave 530 terahashes as opposed to gigahashes, but I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I went, yeah, so actually we were at 49 petahashes and now we're at 52 petahashes. So I think it was 530 terahashes, or is it, no, is that giga? No, I think it's terahashes. You know, if someone could someone could quantify that for me as a confirmation, I think it's 530 terahashes. Anyway, like I say, there is now only 390 of those available. They will cost you 149 RLT each. I've got myself one. I could purchase more if I wanted, but I'm not. I'm only going to purchase the one, and the only reason I do get these ones is, again, if we go into the collections, we go here and we go here. Yes, it's going to give you the 530,000 whatever. I'm confused. It could be 530,000 gigahashes. I did actually put a post about this on their Discord saying, you know, can someone tell me which one it is? And I never got a reply. So anyway, it's 530,000 something. But the main, so it's a nice boost to your account. But the main, one of the things I like is this boost, this power boost. It gives you a 2.5% power boost. That gets added to the overall. Because remember, this is a total bonus power. This is a total bonus power. So that is not just a 2.5 for that miner. It's added as a total. So I get 132.5 plus bonus on all of my power. So that is total power. So if we go in here and then we look, I get through my power bonus, right? I get 29.942. That is just the power bonus. That's why I get these limited miners, because it adds to that power bonus. Yes, like I say, the additional power that you just get from the miner is nice to add to your account. But I personally look at this total, which is it is that total power, and that is what I'm earning just from that bonus. So for me, it is worth getting them. Obviously, I realize not everybody can afford them, but if you can, I think it is a good addition because it adds also to that power bonus. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about Rollercoin, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier review. Now that's going to give you a lot better understanding and more details on what you need to be doing to get your account up and running and earning yourself some free crypto. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay, so the other two sort of limited miners that they've released are these ones connected with support in Ukraine. Now, I think it's a nice touch, you know, possibly a little political, you know, I don't know. There's a lot of people out there that might not be happy about it, but, you know, the world, or a lot of the world, is coming together over this thing. So I do think it is a nice little touch just to show that support. So anyway, if you go into your basket here and you go into the sales and popular, you can see they've got the 2 miners here. Each miner is only 25 RLT, but they're going to give you 50,000 gigahashes. So each one of those gives you 50,000 gigahashes. Excuse me. And then if we dive back into the collections, you've probably noticed this already. If we dive back into collections, go to basic, you will see that each one of those gives you just under 1% as a bonus power as well. Okay, so something else that Rollercoin have added, basically due to popular demand, is if we again go into the basket and we go to loot boxes. So Rollercoin have essentially updated their lucky loot box. They're saying it's better. They're saying it's more fair and stuff like that. If we go to the blog post, this is what it will give you. So it costs you 5 RLT, but you have the chance, although be it a very, very, very slim chance of earning 1,000 RLT. If you go down here, you start getting into slightly more of a reasonable territory. So you've got a 4.5% chance of getting 10 RLT. The same for 9 RLT, 7.5 chance of getting 7 RLT, and as it goes down, blah blah blah. Now I tried this out 4 times last night. I think I got 2 RLT on the first one. I got 9 RLT on the second one. I then got 3 RLT on the third one. And then I got 5 RLT on the fourth one. So if we drop back in here, we're going to give it another spin. So we're going to give it 4 more chances. Okay, so here we go. We're going to give it 4 more tries, and then we're going to see how we get on. I don't mind sacrificing a little bit of RLT if it's going to help you. It's all in the name of science. Well, sort of. Anyway, I mean, at the end of the day, obviously, it's down to you whether you use it or not. But, let's give it a shot, and you might get some idea how you might get on. Okay, so first one. Okay, we get 5, so that's equal. So we've not lost anything, so that's cool. So we've not lost anything. So number 2. Okay, so that's another 5. So we're not well. I can't say we're doing well, but we're not doing bad in the sense. Well, we haven't lost anything. So okay, so third attempt. Right, so we're down 3 now. Okay, so we're down 3. Okay, so we're down. What is that? So we're down 5. Is that? I don't know. Yes, we're down 5. So we've lost 5. So I'm going to give it. So we're down 5. We're going to give it one more roll, and then we're going to see. I mean, that's 5 rolls. Let's have a look. Come on, and we're down again. Right, so we're down 8. So there you go. So I did 5 for you. You can gauge whether you think that's better or worse. I don't know. I tend to find. I mean, I never did these really. And the only time I did them was in the season. Was it season 3 or something like that? When it told you that you had to buy a loot box, and I think it was the only loot box that was there. That is the only real time I've ever used this RLT one, because for me, these ones, if I'm going to spend 25 RLT or something like that, but I'm guaranteed to get a miner, which is then going to add bonus to my account, I don't mind doing it. I kind of think, well, that's fine. Admittedly, I never completed any of these boxes. I got a load of miners. I got a load of extra miners, but I never actually got the full collection of any of these boxes. But I think it's quite difficult to do anyway, because obviously, you know, that percentage gets higher, that the chance that you're going to get one of the real top-notch ones. But anyway, like I say, for me, guaranteed minus, that's worth the spend, because you're going to get those bonuses. For me, this loot box is I personally wouldn't bother with it. You know, you've just seen what I've done, and it's not as fun as Vegas, and you're not going to win as much. So, like I say, I would probably let that one go. Anyway, just as a side note, a lot of you, I don't know if a lot of you remember, but I did mention something about when Season 4 turns up, I will be doing a live stream to distribute some of those extra miners that I collected from those loot boxes at very low cost prices, because I want you guys out there, especially those of you with the lower accounts, to be able to start building your account, to be able to start earning some more coins than you are, to be able to maybe have to do less of playing of the free games. And then obviously that enables you to build up some coins, reinvest them back into Rollercoin, and build up your account further. So that is something I'm going to be doing on a live stream at some point during Season 4, or at least when that marketplace turns up and is available to us. The other thing I'm going to be giving away, and I managed to snag a load of these for you guys yesterday, is racks. Excuse me. So one of the things that they gave away if you went in here was racks at 50%. So that I think a 4 rack in the shop is about 0.15 RLT. So that is and they were giving them away at 7.5 or whatever it was. So I snagged a load for you. And if we go down here to my secret panel, here they are. We have 20 racks that I got for you guys, and I again will be placing them on the marketplace at seriously low cost. So I really hope that you can join me for that live stream in the future. Obviously, I will post a preview or something to show on my channel that the date that is going to be airing. So if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you are alerted to everything. So, you know, notifications, new content, all those kind of things, you will get notified before anyone else, as long as you've clicked that notification bell. Okay, so if you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.